Welcome to Genius tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to calculate geometric mean for the decimal values. So I have taken one example with all the decimal values. So how to calculate the geometric mean. Now first in the first number, if you observe carefully, how many zeros are there? 1 0 is there. That's the reason I have taken 1, and which is a decimal point. I need to put it a bar on the number. So 1 bar, because bar is nothing but a negative value. And next, how many digits are there? How many zeros are there? 1, 2. So that's the reason I have taken 2 bar. And how many zeros are there in the third number? 1, 2, 3. So 3 bar. And fourth number has only 1 0. So I have taken 1 bar. And in the fifth number, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bar. 1, 2. So only 2 zeros are there. That's the reason I have taken 2 bar. And 2 zeros are there, 2 bar. 1 0 is there, 1 bar. So this is the first part of the logarithm values we need to calculate. Next, the second part of the logarithm values we need to refer the table. So here we need to go to the logarithm table. So first number is 89 at 7. First number is 89 at 7. Mean difference 4. It is read as 89 at 7. Mean difference 4. So we have to refer the 89 in the logarithm value. So here 89 is see 89 at 7. 89 at 7. 7 means here, see here 7, the same line. 89 at 7 is 9528. So how much it is? 9528. And the mean difference is 4. The mean difference in here is 4 here. 4 you need to refer the same line. So it is 4 is nothing but 2 value. So just look at the table. 4, 2, 89 at 7. 89 at 7 with 4 mean difference is 2. So we need to add 2 value here. 2 value here you need to add 0, 1 carry, 3, 5, 9. So the value is 9530 is the value. Now second one is 57 at 0. Second one, we should not consider the zeros when you are seeing the second part of the logarithm values. So here 57 at 0 you have to see it. So 57 at 0 means, come to the table here. 57 at 0 is 7559. 7559. So 7559 is a value. And the third one is 81 at 0. We should not consider these 0 values here. Only we have to consider 81 at 0. So 81 at 0, come to the table. 81 at 0 is 9085. 9085. So in the 0 column, we are referring 81 at 0, 9085. 9085. 9085. Next, in the fourth number, 56 at 7, mean difference 7. 56 at 7, mean difference at 56. 56 at 7. 56 at 7. 56 is here and 7 is here. So what is the number is there? See, 7536 is your number. So we have the mean difference in this number, 56 at 7, 7536, and mean difference is 7 only. So in the same line you have to refer to the 7th column of mean difference. So 5 is the number. So what is the number actually? 56 means 7, 5, 7536 is the number and the mean difference is 5. So 11457 is the number. So I will write this number here. So 7541 is the number. Next, coming to the next number. So we don't have any other number. So we have only single digit, that is 2. So 2, how it is read in the geometric mean when you are referring the table? 20 at 0. So how it is read? 20 at 0. So 20 at 0 is 3010. 20 at 0. 20 at 0, 3010. So 3010 you have to take it here. 3010. Okay. Next one. 98 at 4. So we should not consider the zeros here. So 98 at 4. So coming to the 98 at 4. So it is here 98 at 4. This is the number. See, 4 column. Fourth column we are referring here. So fourth column. Just look at the fourth column. 98 9930. The number is 9930 is the number. And coming to the mean difference, we don't have the mean difference here. So we need to write it in the box itself only. Here 9930. Now in the next number, we have again three digits only. 85 at 4. 85 at 4. Coming to the table, 85 at 4 is 9263. 85. Okay. 85 at 85 at 4. So 4 means 9315. 9315 is the value. Next one, last one, 56 at 7, we need to refer it. So 56, coming to the 56, 7 is 75. See, 56 at 7th column, we have the 7th number column, 7536. 7536 is the value we have, and the mean difference is 2. The mean difference is 2. In the same column, we need to 56, 7th column. Mean difference 2 means 2 is 2 only value. So we have to write it the 2 value. 8 it becomes 357. So 7538 is the value, we got it. And next, coming to the next here, we need to add these values. How you are going to add is very important point here. Raises. So sigma log x value. So how you need to add it? That is very important. So here first when you are adding these values, no, you should not add the decimal points. Only you have to add these values first. So 1. First one is 1. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1. So how much value we are getting? 16. So 16 bar value you have to take it. Then you have to put plus here, and now you have to add these only the decimal values. These values you should add separately, and the decimal values you need to add separately. So how we are going to add? We need to do very slowly this problem. 0.9530 plus 0.7559 plus 0.9085 plus 0.7541 plus 0.3010 plus 0.9930 plus 0.9315 plus 0.7538. So I got the value 6.3508 is my value. So here 6.3508 I got it. So this is a value of sigma log x. So I will substitute this value in the formula. So now as usual the formula is geometric mean is equal to anti-log summation log x divided by n. So what is the summation log x? We got it 16 bar plus 6.3508 is your value divided by number of observations. So how many number of observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'll put 8 here. So how to add it means First, how to do this one? You need to specify 16 plus 6.3508 you need to do. 16 plus 6.3508. If you do it, you will be getting the value geometric mean is equal to 22.3508 divided by 8. You have to do it. Geometric mean is equal to what is antilog you need to write it antilog. So here also antilog. So here divided by 8 is very important. So 2.7939 you got it the answer. So here what you need to refer it, how to refer the antilog value? We should not consider this value. It is a n value. What is the value here? N is equal to 2. So we have to consider only the decimal values in the antilog values. Okay. So how to read it? 79 at 3, mean difference 9. 79 at 3, mean difference 9. While referring the table, you need to focus whether you are referring the antilog table or not. So this is the antilog table. So what is the value we need to refer here? 79 at 3. So 79 at 3, just refer 79. So 79 at 3 is 6209, and the mean difference is 9. So 9 is nothing but 13 value you are getting. So here 9 is here the mean difference, and the 3 is a value we need to refer. 79 at 3, mean difference 9 is 13. So we need to write this value here. So 6209, mean difference value is 13. So how much it will be? 12, 1 carry, 2, 2, 6. So your answer is geometric mean is equal to 6222. But how to replace the decimal point? In the last episodes I said that 2 plus 1, it is in the normal case. N plus 1 digits you have to take it in the in the before video I said that 2 plus 1, that is third digit. But here you are considering the decimal points. So how to place a decimal point in this one? So here we should not consider this type of thing. So here what you need to consider? GM is equal to, how many are there? N is equal to 2, no? So you need to place this value after 2 zeros only. So is equal to 0.06222 is your answer. This is about the answer. We got it. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.